Unraveling the Meaning of Last View. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where learning English is engaging, fun, and tailored for you. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across in conversations, movies, or books: last view. Stay tuned as we unfold the layers of this phrase, and don't forget to hit the like button if you find the video helpful. When we talk about a last view, we're usually referring to the final opportunity someone has to see something or someone. Imagine saying goodbye to a place or a person. The last view is that final glance you take, that last moment of visual memory you create. It's a poignant phrase that often carries a deep emotional context. Let's look at some examples to understand how last view can be used in sentences. She took one last view of her childhood home before it was torn down. The mountaineers shared a last view of the summit before descending. He gave his grandmother a last view before leaving for college. In all these sentences, last view signifies a final moment of observation, often packed with nostalgia or significance. The context can change the emotional weight of last view. It can be used in more casual or light-hearted situations. I took a last view of the hotel room to make sure I hadn't left anything behind. Here, the phrase is used simply to indicate the final check or glance without a deep emotional undertone. Beware of confusing last view with last review. While last view is about seeing, last review involves evaluating or judging something one final time. Context is key in understanding and using last view appropriately. The phrase last view can be modified slightly to fit different contexts. Final view, last glimpse, parting view, final glance. These variations can be used interchangeably depending on the context and desired connotation. And that's a wrap on last view. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this emotionally charged phrase and how to use it in your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using last view in a sentence today. Until our next video, keep learning and keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and thanks for watching.